Well, this is the last part. This is the caboose. It was today the 18th or something. And rain came back with a vengeance. Whew, major storm. And now we're just getting the little rain returned. Okay. Oh, I hope this tripod don't fall over. It wants to. Alrighty. The last piece on this section. Now, let's take a tour. Take this camera off. See, I just got it. I just used a rubber band, wrap it around the camera a couple times. You can lay this stuff in the rain, no problem. Oh, goodness sakes. I got that oiled last night before I quit. The caboose. Got a long way to go yet. I gotta put in some flooring, rework my water heater. Baby. That windstorm came and blew all my tarps off of everything. Ugh. Oh, the beak is so pretty. Check that piece out right there. The crowning piece. Oh. Okay, believe it or not, I'm gonna ask 50,000. 50,000. Don't like it? Lump it. Go buy something else. Bye.